Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a food blog website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because you'll be able to create a food blog for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com and you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, from here you're going to simply type in food blog. So you can do that real quick. As you can see right here, there are other subcategories that you can also choose from. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll be able to name your website. So I'll simply call it Food Blog. So let me do that real quick. Then we're going to tap on Continue. From here, you can choose your site goals. For example, I would like to display creative work, and you can also select share knowledge. You can select any one of these objectives that would describe your goal. Then after doing that, you can select different apps that you would like to add onto your site. For example, if you are planning to sell online, you could select online store. If you want to do any booking or scheduling, you can select booking. But I'm just going to be adding the blog. And let's say, for example, I would like to also add a portfolio. I could do that. Then we'll tap on Continue. After you have done that, you can tap on Continue once more. Now you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And right where you see blog, you can tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create Post. And you can create your first blog post. If it is a case that you would like the Wix AI to write an article for you, you can do that by tapping on AI tools from the bottom left hand corner. Then you could select blog post and you could use the Wix AI to generate a post for you. If it is a case that you would like help writing title or outline, you can also use their AI feature. So that is how you'll be able to create your blog post. If it is a case that you would like to add your portfolio so you can display your work, you can select portfolio, and from there you can select the type of portfolio and then tap on next. After you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. Now I want you to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. Then select Pick a Template. After you have tapped on Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. On the Themes page, there are numerous themes that you can choose from. Or you can simply type in blog in the top right hand corner right here. Then you can see different blogs that you can choose from. Now let's say, for example, the blog that I would like to use, let's say this one, I could tap on Edit. After selecting the template that you'd like to use, you'll be redirected to the Wix Editor page. On the Wix Editor page, what I would normally recommend you do is first close the pop-up box once it loads up. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, this is how your website looks at the moment. To start editing it, you're going to hover over any section using your mouse. Then you're going to tap on Quick Edit. So if I wanted to change the background, I could do that by tapping on Change beside Strip Background. I can also change the title. I can also edit the paragraph, as you can see right there. And it is as simple as that to edit any section on your Wix website. All you have to do is hover over it, tap on Quick Edit, and then you will be able to apply the changes. If it is a case that you would like to add something, for example, let's say a text box or any element, all you'll need to do is tap on plus in the top left hand corner and you can quickly find it. So whether you like to add a text box, contact form, anything at all to your website, you can find it in this section. You can also view all the pages on your website by tapping on the third icon from the top left hand corner. You can see all the pages right here. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.